welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to install Cydia without jailbreak. I know I already did a video on this, but I'll delete the video after this one because my last video wasn't the full Cydia. This is the full Cydia you can get. So let's just get into this. And I am not on iOS 5 to clear the confusion. This is just an iOS 5 theme I installed in my last video, you know. So what you do is you go into Safari, and then you gotta type into the website Cydia kits. So CydiaKit.com. See that? CydiaKit.com, and then go. So then we're here. So now we're going to scroll all the way down, all the way down. And now we'll just press Cydia download. And now it's just analyzing your device to install Cydia. So your device is compatible, and this is iOS 7.1.2 running on the iPhone 4. So it's compatible. Press install. And then you will be taken to settings, I think, once you press install. Oh yeah, here we are. We're going to take in the settings. So here's the thing, install. Install now. Profile installed, so press done, and we can go out of here. And there is Cydia. So now I'll just put this in my little jailbreak folder right here. So now this is actually the real Cydia. This is not a fake Cydia. We go in here. You can even add sources to this one, I think. So, like, here it is. Okay, this is the real Cydia. You can, I think I can add source. So, like, maybe I can add one. I think I can. Yeah, Cydia begin. Sorry you're whining. That's just my dog here. Okay. It's you have to get your premium membership. Well, you have to get your premium membership, and I'm pretty sure you're not one of the person that does that. But you already have, like, you know, a bunch of default sources, so you definitely should be good with that. We can go to, like, install, like, what's installed. We can definitely get, like, iRec using this, I think, because that's in the, let's see if I can just search for iRec. Search. Well, I don't know why. So search should work. I mean, iRec screen recorder, you know what I'm talking about, should be in here. Well, you're gonna have to just scroll through Big Boss, I guess. Can't you open this? So then you can get a lifetime membership to Cydia. Well, it's not like the whole thing, I guess, but you know, it is Cydia if you want to get the membership. After all, it's only $9, but that is how to get Cydia without jailbreak. Hope you enjoyed. Alright, bye guys.